Hi everyone! I'm excited to introduce you to the BreatheClear Air Purifier. Today we will talk about how to maintain your BreatheClear Air Purifier. Maintaining your Shark Air Purifier with never change over time is very simple. The air purifier is equipped with two pre-filters that effectively trap dust, hair, and lint, protecting the inner filter. It is recommended to check the pre-filters for debris buildup every 2 months. The display is equipped with a clean filter reminder, or you can also check the filter status in the My Air IQ menu. When it's time to clean your pre-filters, start by turning off your air purifier. Gently remove the side panels on the unit, then use the handles to remove the mesh screen. Check the screens for any buildup. Use a handheld vacuum cleaner or cloth to remove the debris from the mesh screens. If additional cleaning is required, rinse the mesh dust filter with room temperature water. Let air dry for 12 hours before reinstalling. Never use abrasive chemical cleaners while cleaning your air purifier. Once clean, reinsert the screens on the side of the air purifier. To do this, align the bottom of the mesh filter with the tab on the air purifier, then push it in until you hear a click. Once the mesh is installed, assemble the side panels, ensuring the tabs are aligned on the bottom before attaching the top. Once you have cleaned your pre-filters, reset the status on filter status in the My Air IQ menu.